Okay, so on the previous video, you already can see how the coefficient generate by using the Pascal triangle. Now let us take a look how the variable expand according to the power or exponent here. Okay, so we start with this one to the power of 0. Earlier, of course, nothing happenings. There's nothing happened here. This one to the power of 1, then we can see we have A and then B only. This one to the power of 2, you can see we have A and then AB and then A. Hold on, yeah, I guess I missed one thing there. Here, start from here, yeah, I should have B here. Check the one that we already done over here. Should have 2AB. Okay, so over here I have AB. Now continue, and when it comes to the power of 3, we have this one A square, and then this one AB B square, and then the to the power of 3 we have A3 and then A square B and then AB square and then B to the power of 3. Now as you see, I will put in a different color. The coefficient I'm not going to look at again here, but I would like you to see the pattern right now is I will start with to the power of 1, 1 and 1 here. Yeah, A to the power of 1 is just A like that. To the power of 2 here, we'll use the one really clear, so I will use let's see, just use orange. 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, and then 2 here. You see the total of the power or the exponent for each component is equal to the number of the power. What I'm trying to say, total 2 here, same. 1 plus 1 here, 2, same. And 2 here, same. Both here to the power of 1, components 1. Here component 1, same. To the power of 3, so the total of the power must be 3. 3 here. Over here, 2 here, 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. Over here, 2 here, 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then 3 over here. What if we have 4? Just quick write down. If we have 4, what is the coefficient? So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So we write down 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, so we'll put the coefficient, the variable AB, 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 AB. Now we put the power. This is 4. So we'll start, I will do this way, in order, I will remove first, in order you can see clearly what I'm trying to say in here. So AB, AB, I will give space a bit because I'm going to write down the power. Okay, clear, yeah? The coefficient 14641 you already know from where, and then the one that we add in is the A plus B to the power of 4. So let me remove this. This is we do for A plus B to the power of 4 equal to. Now I'm going to write down the power. So since it is to the power of 4, so we start with 4 0, total is 4, 3 1, total is 4, 2 2, total is 4, 1 3, total is 4, 0 4, total is 4. And because this is plus, so now is plus. Can you see already? Okay, so now we write down equal to 1 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 0. 1 is not need to write down, so a to the power of 4. b to the power of 0, b to the power of 0 here is equal to 1, so no need to write down again. So we have 4 a3 b plus 6 a to the power of 2 b to the power of 2 plus 4 a b 3 plus 1, no need to write down. A to the power of 0 is also 1, and b to the power of 4. Now you see, easy to get the terms, right? We will try a to the power of 5 now. Let's see. So a plus b to the power of 5. What will be the coefficient for 5? For 5, we have 1, 5, 10, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, so we will get 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Check. Okay, then we'll put the AB, 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 AB. The next one, I'm going to put the component, the power. Okay, so 5 0, 4 1, 3 2, 2 3, and then 1 4. Oops, oh sorry, I missed the first one over here. Hold on, yeah, how I react to this one. Let me see. I'll try to put here. Okay, oh my god. And then I'll put this one here, and then this one here, and then this one here, and then another one here, and then so okay, so I missed the first one just now. So for this one is 0 5 now, and since this all a plus b positive, so all positive. Okay, so we can write again this one 1, this b to the power of 0 also 1, so a5 plus 5 a4 b plus 10 a3 b2 plus 10 a2 b3 plus 5 a b4 plus 1 here b5. Now you can see we can easily doing it using the pattern. Imagine if we have to multiple one by one like this. Just now we have a to the power of 3, and then if we do a to the power of 4, meaning we have to calculate one by one. But if we understand the pattern, then we can do easily like this with the help of the Pascal triangle earlier. Okay, so definitely you can work now with a plus b to the power of 6. You can just try by yourself. But then of course we need to know for a plus b to the power of n. What if n here is 100? What will be the coefficient first? Remember, this is for 5. If we have to the power of 6, that will be 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and then 1. Now, imagine this is for 6. So if we net to the power of 7, we need to do again 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. This is for 7. Sorry. This is for 7. If you need for 8, then you need to write down again. 9, write down again. So if n to the power in f, n here is 100, meaning we try to calculate a to the plus b to the power of 100. Meaning our Pascal triangle have to be reached until 100 here. That also not optimum in terms of try to calculate. So what we can do is by finding the general formula for a plus b to the power of n. What will be the general formula? As what I already write down over here. Okay, so the next video we will going to see how is it the general formula for this kind of case in the counting. Okay.